how to find the zip code on your Cash App card. Here's what you have to do. First, load up Cash App and then click on your profile icon found in the top right corner. Now from here, once you select it, you will go and choose personal information, which is going to be the first option underneath account and settings. And once you do this, you should see your address here. So click on your address, and here it is going to display your zip code, and that same zip code is going to be associated with your Cash App card because it's going to be in the same location. If you are unsure, then one more thing that you can do is to contact support. You will click on your profile icon, then you will click on support here at the bottom, Cash App support, and you will explain or ask, what is my Cash App card zip code, with a question mark, and then you will send this message. Now they will respond, and the last thing that you can do is to check for your specific zip code. You will type out your address in Google and then type zip code afterwards, and that is going to display your zip code. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.